Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to enable TPM 2.0 for Windows 11. We can achieve this on any hardware, any motherboard, any PC, any laptop by the very simplest way. I give the list of BIOS key of your motherboard or your laptop PC. Just enter that BIOS key after restarting your PC. Just enter. If your motherboard is ASUS, then press F2, or Dell. If your motherboard is HP, then F10. Just restart your PC and enter your BIOS key. So I am going to restart my PC first. Just go to the start, restart PC. After restarting PC, just enter your BIOS key depending on the motherboard or laptop or PC. Depending on your motherboard, just enter the BIOS key. In this case, I pressing the delete key. Just go to the advanced mode at here. Just go to the advanced again. In advanced, just go to the PCH FW configuration and TPM device selection. Then just go to the firmware TPM and read the notice and click on the OK. And just go to the exit, save, change and restart. Click on OK and your problem is solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.